What is up, YouTube? Welcome to a brand new video. I have a box that came in from FedEx. Actually, I ordered the product from Amazon, but FedEx delivered it, and yeah, the guy that came and dropped it off asked me, he's like, hey, do you want to check it out before I leave? He's like, it kind of looked like this already. And I mean, all I did was take off this tape, but for the most part it came looking like it was mauled by a bear. So anyways, we're gonna get into this box. We're gonna take out the skateboard that's in it, and what I want to do is I want to put the Revel kit that's in the skateboard. And for the longest time I've been wanting to get another board that's very similar to the Miles Phantom as far as deck shape and size, so I think this is it. So yeah, follow along with me, and yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, I'm over here trying to cut up the cooler a little bit. I got this stud that's sticking out that I'm trying to cut, so that way I can mount the Revel kit. The Revel kit's on that board at the moment. Just swap out the batteries. I need this gone. I need it to be flush with the rail. Alright, so I finally cut that off. I'm gonna file it down to kind of make it more flush. Mount the Revel drive, and we'll see if the battery actually comes out.
It ain't even like look like it's bad. That's what I mean. It looks
yeah.
Like
Start off by taking off these lights. They used to have a little cover, but I guess this iteration wasn't that great. Like when they pop off, they want to back out instead of stay in. Versus the new ones, which I think have them on the other ones. The thousands have a good cover, but the rear one,
right.
But they're not even thousands. They're 300 lumens. It's a weird name.
the padding.
The padding.
Yeah, that gauze or whatever. Yeah. Shit.
Made a big difference last night, bro.
I'm sure you didn't buy them specifically. Well, it's like I'm already sold. I need some time on it. I'm not gonna want to give it back to you right away. Don't even tease me like that.
Yeah, right. Just a tease at that point.
Should we? Oh no.
No, it reaches perfect.
Yeah,
literally, this is
actually
designed for the other kit, but it still worked pretty well. The dimensions are exactly the same as the original kit. Do you mind passing me the Phillips head for replacement parts?
See it too.
And yeah, and I can make a part list for people to copy if they want to.
Yeah.
You want to write it?
Yeah, it's it, Mike. Sure,
I'm gonna put this taillight on there. I still gotta turn it on too. And I might not be set up for turns right now since the bushings.
Definitely.
More.
It takes a minute to get used to.
It's got brakes. So it's got brakes. But yeah, that's my old cooler cart.
Sit there and call it to you.
Just like a Tesla. But yeah, thank you, Mike, for letting me use your shop and letting me use your tools as well, because this is literally what I needed so I can ride too. These group rides. Yeah, thank you, Mike. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna pause your music so I don't get copyrighted for a second. So I got the Shred Lights SL FX. I'm gonna go ahead and mount them on the cooler. And for me to mount them on the cooler, check it out. Alright, so for me to mount them in the cooler, so it looks like the light, so long as I can get it sitting there, it'll sit flush in that channel. And it won't rub. However, the bracket has these little lips, little tabs on both sides that I need to get rid of, so Jacob is going to help me grind it down so that way we can fit this bracket into the into that slot, and then we can get the light fully mounted in there and it'll be nice and flush. Took the grinder to it and kind of just skipped over the boring stuff so that way we can go ahead and mount this, and we'll see if it works. Okay, we're off to a good start. Alright, so Jacob helped me grind the plastic tabs down a little bit, and now I got underglow on the cooler. Got to mount the taillights back on, but thanks to Shred Lights, I got underglow and I got headlights, taillights, and a cool ass cooler. Oh, it is. It is. I want to take it downtown.
We need like an off-road front tire.
They sell.
Just swap out.
They sell. Mongoose sells like a big scooter with the front wheel. I want to get.